Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve for A and B in this beautiful math algebra problem. A plus B is equal to 1, AB is equal to 4. But before you proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation A plus B is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 1. Let's make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 1 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 4. Now we can now substitute for B, which is 1 minus A. A bracket 1 minus A is equal to 4. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 1, this is A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 4. This can be written as A minus A square. If you bring this 4 to this side, it becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's put this in standard form. We have minus A square plus A minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Negative A square divided by negative 1, this is A square, plus A divided by negative 1, this is negative A. Negative 4 divided by negative 1, this is plus 4 is equal to 0. Then this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula in this form is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A, or A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 1, and then C is equal to 4. A is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 all square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 4 all over 2 multiplied by A is 1. A is equal to minus times minus 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4, that is minus 16 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 16. This is minus 15 over 2. And this is the same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of minus 15 can be written as square root of 15 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I, then root 15 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 1 plus I root 15 over 2, or b2 is equal to 1 minus I root 15 all over 2. These are the values of a1 and a2. We've gotten the value of a1 and a2. Let us solve for b1 and b2. To solve for b, from equation 3, b is equal to 1 minus a. This is equation 3. Now b1 is equal to 1 minus a1 is 1 plus I square root of 15 all over 2, or b2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 15 over 2. Then from here, this is over 1, the SCM is 2. b1 is equal to 1 into 2 times 1, that is 2 minus 1 plus I root 15 all over 2. b1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus I root 15 all over 2. b1 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus I square root of 15 all over 2. This is the value of b1. Also b2, this is equal to, this is over 1. We have 2 minus bracket 1 minus I root 15 all over 2. b2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus I square root of 15 all over 2. b2 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 plus I square root of 15 all over 2. This is the value of b2. Therefore, our final answer are a1, b1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 15 over 2, 1 minus I square root of 15 over 2. Then a2, b2, this is equal to 1 minus I square root of 15 over 2, 1 plus I square root of 15 over 2. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. And from this solution, you can see that the value of a1 here is equal to the value of b2 here, and the value of b1 here is equal to the value of a2 here. So we want to check now. To check, we have the given equation a plus b is equal to 1, ab is equal to 4. Now let us consider this using a1, b1. A plus b, this is 1 plus I root 15 over 2 plus 1 minus I square root of 15 over 2 must be equal to 1. Then the SCM here is 2. This can be written as 1 plus I square root of 15 plus 1 minus I square root of 15 all over 2 must be equal to 1. This cancel this. We have 1 plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. And this is same thing as 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2 must be equal to 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Therefore, the left hand side 1 is equal to the right hand side 1, which is true. Now let's just consider the second one, which is this. AB is 1 plus I root 2 root 15 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus I root 15 over 2. This is 1 times 1, 1. 1 times minus I root 15. This is minus I root 15. I root 15 multiplied by 1. This is plus I square root of 15. Then I square root of 15 multiplied by minus I square root of 15. This is minus I square multiplied by square root of 15 square must be equal to 4. Then 2 times 2, this is over 4. This cancel this. We have 1 minus I square multiplied by this cancel this 15 must be equal to 4. Then over 4 here. I square is equal to minus 1. So here we have 1 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 15 over 4 must be equal to 4. This is 1 minus times minus 1. That is plus 1 multiplied by 15 all over 4 must be equal to 4. Now we have 1 plus 1 times 15, that is 15, making 16 over 4 must be equal to 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 4. Therefore, the left hand side 4 is equal to the right hand side 4, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.